welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, please do not forget to click that subscribe button down below and the post notification button next to the subscribe button. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to set up a fish tank. Actually, it's gonna be my first time setting up a fish tank. My mom always wanted a fish tank, so today we went to Walmart. Well, not Walmart, we went to PetSmart to buy the fish tank today. We just got home from buying it. I told her what we're going to do to take care of them, but yeah, well, I did all my research on it and I searched up how to set up a fish tank also, and the instruction is in the fish tank also. So you guys are just going to see how I'm gonna set it up, and I don't know if it's gonna help anyone, but yeah. So this is the fish tank. I already positioned it, like I had to clean over here because that's where it could fit. So it comes with 3 gallon. Yeah, so it's the 3 gallon. I know it's 5 gallon. Oh my gosh. So yeah, this is the 3 gallon, and it comes with 4 LED lights and a filter cartridge, and that's what it looks like. It did come with the heater, so I went ahead and bought one from Amazon. I will put the link down below and the fish tank link down below, so if you guys want to go purchase it. I got the heater in Amazon because it doesn't come with a heater, it only comes with a filter, and I don't even know if I'm not gonna switch the filter that I have right now and put another filter, because from the reviews that I saw on YouTube, it says that the filter doesn't really work. So that's why I might switch the filter. But yeah, so this is what the heater looks like. How do you turn this off and on? Okay guys, so this is what the heater looks like when I get it out of the box. And I guess this is the set. Yeah, this is the set button when you can click it to get the temperature that you actually want. But I gotta put water in first. I'm gonna put this gravel that I got from PetSmart also for my 3 gallon. also got these accessories to go in the fish tank from PetSmart and from Walmart. I should have get some green also, but this will do for now. I think I should rinse them first, so I will be right back. Fix controls algae growth, because the bigger thing that I did for my mom is outside, and we washed it today. Like, we did a water change today because it was really green with algae, so we had to do a water change. So that's why I had to buy one. I'm gonna wait for 15 minutes for this one to be done, and then I'm gonna put a conditioner for another 15 minutes, and then the algae for another 15 minutes, I think. But yeah, so I'll be back in 15 minutes. Okay guys, so this was pretty much it of the video. I think I'm just gonna leave it on for a week before I can put my fish in there. I'm thinking of getting a beta because they're more easy to take care of, and they have more beautiful colors. So yeah, it's gonna have to stay for a week, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get the fish next week. Wait, no, it's not even next week. The week after next week, I'm gonna get the fish. So if you guys like the video, please do not forget to click the subscribe button down below and the post notification button next to the subscribe button. So yeah guys.